It just keeps on cycling and cycling, so we'll go with white. Sometimes the fuses pop, it will do that also, so check that. Fuse is good.
I turned out the power, I thought it just had a reset, but that wasn't it either, on the front, the main.
Now this is with the thermostat off.
Thermostat,
I got it.
Right there, you
off.
overrode it. So these don't have pilots anymore.
No.
It's just igniter.
Igniter, and if it's something wrong with, you know, sometimes the computer board senses power issues, and just gotta track it down first, figure out what's going on. And this is me calling for heat. Now it fired right up the motor like it's supposed to. Now it pulls this switch in. Now it's gonna go through to see your igniter's going on.
You mean in the window?
Yeah. And then your flame should start right up. So we got a pretty simple thermostat issue. Or wiring. Have you hung any pictures or done any type of construction? Or?
I put a new Nest thermostat in 2 months ago, but it hasn't. It's been working ever since. And it just automatically runs, so you don't really touch it.
Well, let's go take a look up at the thermostat and see what's going on. I'm gonna have to hook it back up to get the power back up there probably, and go from there.
So that's good.